Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make baked barbecue chicken. The ingredients that you'll need are some chicken. I use drumsticks, but you may use any chicken that you would like. Salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, some paprika, and barbecue sauce. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Get a big bowl and put all your chicken inside. Then season with all of the seasoning, including the salt, the black pepper, the garlic powder, onion powder, and then depending on how spicy you would like it, some chili powder and paprika. Then combine and mix well. Get a baking pan and place your chicken on the pan, spacing it out. When the oven is done preheating, go ahead and put your seasoned chicken inside and then go ahead and bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take out the chicken and put all the chicken back into the bowl. You can start by adding the barbecue sauce on the chicken and then coating it again using a brush. Place the chicken back into the oven and bake for another 20 minutes. Now the chicken is ready. You can start by plating it and eating it with a side of white rice or by itself. Enjoy!